Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Aldi's Bistro soups, the French onion and broccoli cheddar, with an on-camera taste testing at the end. Stay tuned. Being home more these days, I miss being able to quickly stop by our local bistro for soups straight out of the oven. We still order takeout regularly to support our local restaurants for dinner, but during these days of virtual learning, I want to try some new options at home for lunch. The Aldi Bremer Bistro soups are located in the freezer section at $3.99 each with 2 servings per box. You will need a small oven-safe container to heat these in the oven, like a small Corningware or dip container. You can make these in the microwave, but to get the cheese browning on the top, you'd still have to put them in the oven. To use the oven way of baking them, you will need to plan in advance to heat the oven, and each takes about 40 minutes or so. Both soups came out looking amazing with the cheese nicely browned on top. Looks good, smells good, but is it worth it? Let's find out. This soup looks and smells amazing. If you have a bowl that is deeper than this with a smaller diameter, I think that might be much better, because then you'll have, I think, enough cheese and croutons to make a more solid kind of topping. Oh my gosh, it is so good, you guys. I love this. And to tell you the truth, I could probably make both of those servings and just eat them all myself. And the cheese is so good. This tastes just like if you went to a bistro and ordered French onion soup there. So good. Hey guys, I'm back to try the broccoli and cheddar soup. Really kind of looking forward to this because the French onion soup last week was really good. I got some pretty good chunks of broccoli in there. But boy, does that really hit the spot. So in conclusion, these soups were so delicious. I was pleasantly surprised. Now, I know you can get a similar outcome from canned soup and adding fresh cheese from the fridge, but I feel like these tasted more like what you would get in an actual bistro. It's not a ride or die item, but it certainly is a nice way to add a little variety to lunch at home. Have you tried these soups? Let me know what you thought. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.